What's up, guys? It's Mr. DS18 and welcome back to another DS18 product review. On today's topic, I'm going to show you guys the EQX7PRO. This is a Pro Audio EQ, similar to the one we already have, but with some extra features. What are those extra features? So, let's say you have your Stonewall or your sound system and you don't know when you've reached the level, not the clipping level, but like the maxed out level. So this EQ lets you know when you're maxed out. How does it do that? So as you guys can see right here, right now, it's all in blue, right? You see that right there? So once you give it volume, you guys can see right there, it starts lighting up in red, right? That means that the signal is maxed out. But it doesn't just work on the volume or on the gain level. It also works on the sub level. So you see there? That means the subs are maxed out right now. Remember, they're not clipping. It's just maxed out. That's the frequency. That's the top. That's where the subs are not going to be any louder. It's maxed out. Now, it works in all different frequencies. So let's say you have your tweeters set up high. And you see? And they're maxed out right there. The same thing goes for the mids, the mid bass, everything. It depends how you have everything. You see, now you have this whole EQ lighting up. Everything's lighting up. That means your whole sound system is maxed out. So that's a cool feature about this new EQX7PRO. Now let's disconnect this real quick so I can flip it over and show you guys the rest of the features. All right, so another cool feature this guy has is this. It has a built-in high input level right there. So if you're using this off a factory radio, you don't have an aftermarket radio, you can use it with the high level input, right? It also has an auto turn on. So if you don't have remote out or remote in, you just give it power right here to the speakers. Once the speakers turn on, the EQ lights up. Now, on the power side, you got your power, you got your ground, and then you got remote in and remote out. That's right. You got a remote in and you got a remote out. So you can easily use either your aftermarket radio to power this baby up to turn it on if you're not using the high level input, and then you got a remote out for the external amplifiers. That's a cool feature as well. So you got your sub level here, you got your main here, rear, front, and this is your auxiliary. There's a toggle switch in the front, just like our other EQX7. There you go. That turns on the auxiliary. You can also adjust the gain of the auxiliaries on top if you want them louder, if you want to go distortion crazy mode. And we also have a crossover right here for the low pass filter from 60 Hertz or switch it on to 90 Hertz. So this is it, guys, the EQ7X Pro. Make sure you guys check it out. I said it wrong. The EQX7 Pro. Make sure you guys check it out. I'm Mr. DS18, and we like it loud.